So I've had a lot of experience around this. When I first started my initial juice bar 10 years ago, I did not have a lot of money to start this business. I was literally counting every penny. I was doing my budget every single day based on every dollar that was spent. And I, almost out of necessity, but I would say in hindsight, made the mistake of buying certain pieces of equipment used that I really should have purchased new. So in the spectrum of equipment that you're going to buy, you have your blenders, your juicers, your refrigeration, your shelving, your prep tables, your sinks, your ice machine, all of this stuff. Now, are there certain things that you really want to avoid buying used? In my perspective, yes. I would highly recommend that anyone who's thinking about getting into starting a new juice bar business, you do not buy used refrigeration. Why is that? First-hand experience, I will tell you that most of these places that you buy this used equipment from, they're going to give you a 90-day warranty. And on the 92nd day, that refrigerator is potentially going to break.